Hello, my name is Sandra Orduña. I'm one of the owners and CFO of Plástico XIMA. XIMA is a company established in 1999. We manufacture plastic pieces through injection, making use of our own designed molds under request or third-party molds. The main problem we try to solve is the clogging or adhesion of material to the mold in plastic injection processes. This problem affects productivity because it involves stopping production to unscrew the parts, material or castings stuck in the mold.
Hello, my name is José Díaz and I am Technical Manager at BOSONIT. I'm the technical responsible for the AGIPLAS project. The IoT solution implemented at Plástico XIMA is based on the firmware platform together with some other open source applications. First and most importantly, we use the Orion Context Broker, which is used as the data broker for the solution. This component is in charge of receiving the data from all the other components of the solution and then sending or forwarding this data to the required components. We also use the Draco software component, which is in charge of persisting all the data going through Orion Context Broker in SQL databases. This is a key role for our application because it enables us to collect historic registers of all the information going through the application. The two open source applications that we also use in this project are the following. First, the PostgreSQL database, which is a database management system, open source, very used in the community. And finally, we use the Grafana open source component as part of the RAMP application, which is a web application that enables us to display both real-time data and historical data in an easy way. During the AGILPLAS project, we have implemented two different software components or SAPs that are key to the solution. The first of them is an IoT agent for the Arduino that we use in the solution. The Arduino is a kind of Arduino that we use to interface the digital electrical signals coming from the robotic arm. The other one is a software component in charge of computing the OEE or overall equipment effectiveness, which is the key metric used in the project to measure the performance of the solution.
The AGIPLAS project has allowed us to have two productive elements connected, the injector machine and the robotic arm. Through this connection, our team is able to visualize the data coming from this equipment in a dashboard, and thus we have a real-time decision system on the production of plastic pieces. So we are currently analyzing the long-term impact of the AGIPLAS project. Besides, thanks to the implementation of the project, the plastic injection production process has been improved, and we have been able to increase the calculation of overall equipment efficiency of our production in more than 10% and our quality rate in more than 3%.